What is going on, guys? My name is Madeline. Welcome to another tech tutorial video. In this tech tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to install Discuz. Discuz is something like PHP but it's a very powerful community forums thing, or whatever we call it, or bulletin board, or whatever we call it. And right now, there's no official English version yet, but there is someone out there that translated everything in English. As you can see, everything is English and stuff. If you go to the discuz.net, you see everything is Chinese. You can download the Chinese version if you want, but I did not download the Chinese version. So right now, here is the board itself. I did a little test and everything. Hello, this is a test. This is me right here, and you can log in pretty fine. Username, login, blah, blah, blah. It has this, every time you log in, it sets to this. You can put multiple stuff, but basically it's a very powerful forums. You can add links up here. You can make people make their own blogs. You can turn it into like your own Facebook site if you want. So there's a link in the description where you can download the multi-language version. So the multi-language version comes with, I think, 6 languages. If I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 languages in this pack right here. So we're gonna click download. I'm gonna download this pack right here. It's gonna take some time. It is pretty much 40 gigabytes, so I'll stop when it's done downloading. So when it's done downloading, you should be able to see a file right here called Vault Discuz ML31. You like to extract it here. Now it is in a zip file, so you don't need WinRAR or any other softwares for it. So any extracting file will work, including basic Windows zip file software. It takes time to extract. This thing has like over 6,000 files in it. So just to tell you this has 6 files in it because it's a very powerful board, forms board. And you get all of this right here. Upload. You go to upload and you grab your file management software or whatever it is. I need to rename this to, just give me a sec. Make it so it doesn't ruin it. Okay, so you Control A and grab it to your file management. You can copy and paste this in FileZilla in your root folder. That will work too, but right now, since I am using localhost, I can drag it into where my localhost is and stuff. So right now it's gonna place all the files in here. Even though it's not much, it will still take a while to upload to your file management or FileZilla, so it'll take a while to do it. So after this, you get all of this files right here. So if you go to localhost, you'll get the installation page right here. So you can click whatever language you want, English, Dutch, any kind of language you want, like 16 language as I was talking about. I don't know, I won't go down to the bottom there, but I'm going to click English because that's my main country. Disabled if you want more language packs. So if you don't see the your language pack in here, you can visit the Coders Club forums, but right now I have the language I want, so I'm going to click on Go. Now it tells you everything is alright. It requires operating system not set, so you can use any operating system to host it. Basically, my PHP version is 5.4.22. Attachment file to megabytes and everything is okay. If you see every single check mark, you're okay. So you can click on next step. Now you basically click on this first one right here and click on next. Now this is a very important part right here. You have to create a MySQL file and create a MySQL file. So right now, to create a MySQL file, you can go to your website hosting provider or something like that and create a MySQL database file on your hosting, whoever you're with, which is HostGator, JustHost, or Blue Hosting. They all have an option to create a MySQL, and they give you all the information to put in here. Since I have a localhost /phpbb, let me pause it for a second. So right now, here is the phpMyAdmin I have right here. So if you're running this on a local host or from your computer server and you're not using any other website and you're using XAMPP, you can do it this way. You can create a new database by going to databases and create a database right here. I'm gonna call this a little test vid. That's what I'm calling it. I'm gonna call it test vid right here. And I created a little database called test vid, and I don't need to create a table. So after that, we go back to phpMyAdmin. You see where it says server right here. You type that little server code IP right here. So I don't know if localhost will work for you. Sometimes it will work for people. I don't know if it will work for you guys. So I'm going to copy test video and paste it right here and paste it. So since you're working on your since you're hosting on your own website from your computer, you don't need to worry about putting in a password. So I'm gonna make this admin and type in my password and repeat that. Admin passwords can't be empty. You can name your admin password whatever you want. So I'm gonna type in my email address. And click next step. Something I messed up for some reason. Let me double check this. I think I don't need to put server right here, so let me click next. Something's wrong here. Just give me a minute. I think I know why. This has to be root. Yeah, I think this has to be root. There you go. Yeah, that was the problem right there. Since I'm running on my own PC, running my own MySQL on my PC, the username is root. So yeah, I forgot to always check that the user is root. So that was a big mistake. I just created a database name. I didn't create a database file. So after that is completely done, and you click on next. It takes a while to load, and you'll successfully install this. So pretty much these bottom things right there are plugins for the forms. You can install the templates if you don't know where to go, and I signed up account for qq.com. This is where you get all the templates on qq.com, and it's all in Chinese, so make sure you have a translator on your web browser like I do right here. So after that, you should be able to go back to your localhost main website right here, and there you go. It's successfully installed on your website. And if you want to go to your admin panel, you type in admin.php. and you type in your username and password and click on login. If it logs in for a second, sometimes it doesn't. Mostly it tells you to delete the install file right here, so you can either rename it or install it, or delete it, and you can reload it. So yeah, I hope you liked this video, so please comment, rate, subscribe. I'm gonna be bitching.